Although the Russian army now has relatively more success on the battlefield after the capture of Severodonetsk and Lysychansk, the morale of their armed forces remains very poor. Russian soldiers have reportedly captured their own commander to prevent him from escaping their combat zone in the ongoing war between their forces and Ukraine. The incident was made public in a leaked phone conversation between a Russian soldier and his wife, which was intercepted by the Ukrainian Secret Intelligence Agency. The leaked phone conversation, which has been published by the Ukrainian Intelligence Directorate, also revealed heavy losses experienced by the Russian army in Ukraine. The 4th Battalion they captured their own battlefield commander, the unnamed Russian soldier reportedly told his wife in the telephone conversation. They forced him to stay so he wouldn't run away. That's because they have a number of 300s wounded, which is frightening huge. And we also loaded and prepared our cars yesterday for getting away from here. But we received an order to stay. Yesterday, more than 20 wounded soldiers were driven away. Ukraine's Ministry of Defense's Chief Intelligence Directorate also reported a massive wave of resignations from the military and law enforcement service in Russia, with fewer and fewer Russians willing to risk their lives in the war against Ukraine. In the meantime, after the capture of Lysychansk, the Ukrainian military decided to bring back war to the Russians. Ukraine launched deliberate strikes on residential districts of the Russian cities of Belgorod and Kursk, targeting people, according to the Russian Defense Ministry on Sunday. Ukrainian forces also attacked a military base in the Russian-occupied city of Melitopol on Sunday, a Ukrainian official said, causing a series of explosions that sent dark plumes of smoke into the air. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.